Welcome, today in front of me Motorola G71 5G, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere application on this device. So first you should go into the Play Store, and here on the search pool enter the Ampere, and now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while the application downloading and installing on your device. Always that takes no more than 30 seconds, but maybe now I got some just poor internet connection or something wrong. Okay, so now just open the app here, click yes I agree, pick close, and here on the left down corner tap to OK. And as you can see here, we got the section with the temperature of our device's battery. That's 28 and 7 degrees. Now that's 29 and 5. So as you can see, the temperature's changed. So, and here also got another information about our battery health, the level, the capacity, and more other information like the Android version, the model of our device, and more and other info. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.